hope so you all are fine. This is your week 7th assignment and last lecture. In day 5 lecture we will discuss about the main topic, explanation of atom with example and did you know information. Explanation of atom with example and did you know information. The proton and neutron are packed together in the center of the atom. This is called the nucleus. The proton and neutrons are packed together in the center of atom. This is called the nucleus, or you can say that all the proton or neutron packed together in the center of atom. This part is called nucleus. The smaller electrons whiz around the nucleus in tiny orbit. The smaller electron move around the nucleus in tiny orbits. They move quickly that they turn into a blurry cloud. This is called an electron cloud. All the they move quickly that they turn into a blurry cloud. All the electrons move quickly and they make a blurry cloud. This cloud are called electron cloud because numbers of electrons are move quickly. Each atom always has the same number of proton and electron, making it electrical neutral. However, the number of neutrons may vary. In each atom, number of protons and number of neutrons are same. They make it neutral, but the number of neutrons may vary. The number of neutrons may different in different atoms. Student, this is the diagram of electrons, proton and neutron. Hydrogen is the simplest atom. It has only one proton and one neutron. Okay, you can see that this the negative charge. Negative charge are present on electron. Positive charge are present on proton. This circle is an orbit. Hydrogen is the simplest atom. It has only one proton and one electron. Hydrogen is the simplest atom. It has only one proton. This is one proton and one electron. In helium, helium has two proton and two electron and two neutron. This is electron 1. This is electron 2. Because electron have a negative charge, they both have a negative charge. So these are called electron. Proton, they have a positive charge and they both have a positive charge. So they both are proton. These are called proton. Or the rest two are neutron because they have no charge. Next, lithium. Lithium has 3 proton, 3 electron and 4 neutron. 4 neutron. Why? Because in previous slide we was discussed that neutrons may vary from one element to another. So that is why in this lithium element 3 proton positive charge 1, 2 and 3. 3 proton, electron negative charge 1, 2 and 3. 3 electron and 4 neutron 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 neutrons are present in the lithium. Hydrogen is the simplest atom. It has only one proton and one electron. Helium has 2 proton, 2 electron and 2 neutron. And lithium has 3 proton, 3 electron and 4 neutron. Okay. Students, your today's homework is complete. Test yourself and our success criteria is you can solve test yourself and also explain the atom or draw the picture of atom with the help of example. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.